Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening My Geo and signing in with the SIM already in the phone. Once done, accept the permission prompts so the app can read SIM/profile data. This is the first actionable step because My Geo pulls the active Geo number directly from your account. You don't need to toggle deep settings. Just complete the OTP verification and land on the home screen. Make sure the SIM is active and has network signal before continuing to the next step. Once signed in, tap your avatar or the account menu to open profile details. You'll see the registered Geo number listed under Account or My Account. This shows the active mobile number tied to that SIM. If you have more than one SIM, make sure to compare it with the phone's SIM slot to confirm which number is active. If the number isn't visible, refresh the app or sign out and sign in again. The app syncs live with your Geo account to display accurate information. If My Geo is unavailable, use phone settings as a reliable alternate. Go to About Phone, then SIM status or phone identity, and read the number shown for the Geo SIM. This works because the device reads the SIM's stored MSystem. Once confirmed, match it against your My Geo listing. If no number appears, restart the phone, reinsert the SIM, and check network status. If problems persist, contact Geo support with your SIM details for a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.